As you can see from the title of the video, you will know this is just a brow tutorial. So I'm here with you with bare face. Nothing on but this freaking glitters. Ugh, anyways, let's get down to it. So I wanted to show you guys my normal brow routine. I don't use a lot of expensive fancy product because I don't think it works for me. All my products I'm going to be using today is Drugstore brand. You only need 4 items: concealers, a spoolie, and a brush to clean up. I normally have 2 brushes. When I feel like I want to be cute, I use one for the bottom, one for the top. When I want to rush, I just use one. Remember, everybody's way of doing brows is differently. I personally use 2 different color for my brows because I do not like to use, okay, the normal talk is that you use a dark brown pencil for your eyes, but for me, my preference, what I like, what Bina likes, I always like to see a black tail right here. Let's get a little closer, see how we do this. So I'm gonna brush it up for you guys. That's how I normally do it. And then I go in with my, this is the black pencil from Nicka K. It's from the beauty supply store. It ranged for like $2.99. So I have a black and a dark brown. So what I do is I take the black. Remember, again, that's how I do my brows. And very light, I draw a line going across. And I start from the exact front. Like so. Then I fade it in. Like right where I don't have brows, I fade it in right there. So like up to here. And then I come from the top of it now. And I draw a line coming down to meet the rest of the brow. As you can see, I go long. I don't have no brows here, but I just like to have a tail. So I drag my brows a little bit lower. Then I stop right here with the black pencil. Then I go in with the dark brown pencil. And I start it right here. And I just go upwards. Like I'm flickering it up. What kind of noise is that? It helps if you want to do like a raise your eyebrows so you could just get the lines going up. So just go straight up. I go straight up with mine. And I just connect a little bit right here. Just like so. See? Just like that. Because I flick. It's brown right here, but I want that blackness. So that's what I do. Just go up. Guys, sorry about the noise. I think that's my daughter in her room. And I go back in with, because I want that line. Okay, this is the first one. Let's just jump into the second one. So just as how we did the first one, we're gonna do the second one. It looks big, but it always comes back down to size. So we're gonna do the same one with the second one. So what I want to do now, I go and I comb in my brows. So I comb out that harsh line you see right down here. I just keep on combing it up. So I go up and then I go across. So I'm coming on the harsh black line. You dragging it, but that doesn't mean it's gonna come out. You know, just drag it to just get out all the harsh lines. Right? Like so. Get closer for you. I never lift my brows like this. I just remain like that. I rest it right here. Like I prep right there. Back and forth on the brush. I can just turn the brush back and forth. Because you're trying to get like less product that's going to go across. So it'll be easier for you. And you just glide. Like so. So you're following your shape, but you're not letting go of the brush. You're guiding the brush. Because you know sometimes people do this when they're cleaning their brows. But in the beginning of mine, I just hold it down. And I follow the shape of my brow. Go up. And you come down. That's what I do. And then I do this. I bring this down. I bring the concealer down. Okay, so here's a trick. You don't know how to get the other one that looks like the first one. Take the concealer from here and drag it here. So they gonna be sisters. So I'll do it like that. Normally I don't do it like that because I know what I'm doing, but I'll drag it for you. So I take it from here. And I drag it over. That's how I get my start. See? When you drag it over, so you do the first one, you're just gonna prep right here. You're gonna take the, then we're gonna go on the top. Right from the beginning. Drag it down just to meet the bottom. That's it. You just drag it down just to meet the bottom. So you're gonna start in the top again. And just let your hand guide you. And bring it down. The bigger brush you have is the less mess up you mess up. And when you're coming down on your brow, you always feel that bone. So you know it's like a little heel that you gotta limp over, you know? So I want the tail right here to be like very, very like thin. And the concealer on the top, you bring it upwards. And if you realize the one in the bottom is drying, so when the concealer take a little while to dry, you get a better way of buffing it out. Going with a brush, and what you want to do, you just want to press it in. It's already dried, but you're gonna press this in. It looks like I'm wiping it, but I'm not really wiping it. I'm just pressing it in. What you're trying to get, like all of that look, like all of that color and everything, just seamlessly go into your skin. So you're just gonna buff it out. You're buffing it out, you're pressing it in. Forget to go back in the middle and separate it. So if you let it sit on your face, it gives you a better way of just buffing it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how I do my brow, and this is how I flawlessly blend everything in. So it's just a tip. If you find every time you blend it, what I did is I use LA Pro Girls concealer in dark cocoa for the top of my brows, and I use chestnut for the bottom of my brows. And what I did, I let it dry, and then I pat it in, I pat it in, I pat it in. And then if you want, depending on what look you're going for, you don't want to put no concealer down here, you could jump in with your regular concealer, and then you could just set it. You could just set it with Laura Mercier or Sacha Buttercup. Or you don't have those things and you want to set over your eyes, you could use your MAC face powder, because everybody has MAC. You could use your Maybelline. It doesn't have to be Sacha Buttercups or Laura Mercier. You don't have to be those type of things. You don't have to be Cover X. It don't have to be. It could be whatever you have, you make it work. That's why I say makeup is like a play art. You make whatever you have work. So guys, this is how I do my brows. I hope you like it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.